Hello, welcome to this short video. We're going to demonstrate how to create a multiple choice quiz using variables in the meantime. I have designed this question. Question 1, 4 options. The 4 buttons will listen to clicks and respond in the correct way. A, B, C, 3 options, they are wrong answers and D is correct. This one is named as Q1 opt 1. Question 1, option 1. This one, question 1, option 2, and so on. Okay, let's start coding. Why it's like this? Because one of the objects is being selected, and ActionScript 3 does not allow you to directly code the object. Okay, so now let's do scene 1. Now it's okay. Stop as usual. This one stops from looping and stays on this frame. Now I need to declare a couple of variables. First is var points. That's the points one could get from this question. For points, data type is number and equals to 0. That's initial value assigned to it. I'm going to declare the total score as well as number and equal to 0. Listeners. Question 1, opt 1 will have listeners added to it. Structure setup, and then fill in the details inside. Okay, mouse event and click. Once it hears that, because it's a wrong answer, so wrong answer handler. We'll copy paste that, and then function to design this one. Set up a structure again, is just prevent you forgetting the closing brackets and braces. And inside is the communications channel, the event object carrying all the information. Mouse event. When that happens, what does it do? It will display feedback box. Text shows wrong. And then we'll give no points or penalty. Now, this is the wrong answer. This will apply to option 1, 2, 3, all of them, except question 4 or option 4. So this makes it easy. I'm just copying and pasting option 2, call the wrong answer as well, wrong answer handler. This one, option 3, also calls this handler. Only option 4 is going to call the right answer handler. Now, the right answer handler is not defined yet, so I'm going to do that. Right answer. In the right answer function, the handler, the event object. Okay, first. Now, what does it do? Is feedback box text saying, displaying correct. Yeah, and also it needs to give points. Okay, what's points? Points equals to what? Let's see, 4 points. You get it right. Yeah, and then the total points. Total score would what this one is doing is that total score, hold the total score for the test, for the quiz. Whatever you had before, take it out, add to it the points, then put it back, assign it back to keep in that kitchen jar. Okay, well, we've got the score worked out, and then we need to display it. So I want the total score display. Text equals to string, that inside should be total score. And also I need the points display. Text equals to string, inside should be points. So these are the points you obtained from that question, because not all the questions have the same number of points awarded. Okay, so now if I test it, I would have error messages. Undefined, 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 undefined. When you see undefined, it means either you've misspelled it or you haven't created. Therefore, the computer couldn't find the objects you referred to. I know this one because I haven't drawn them yet. So I'm going to create 2 boxes, 2 dynamic text boxes. One is called feedback box, one is called the total score display, or 3. And then one is called points display. Let's do this one. Change this one into dynamics. And then start drawing. This one, I'll call it total. This one, total score display. And I'm going to do another one, or I can just copy this one, paste I'll call this one a points display. Then I'm going to paste this one, feedback. Feedback, make it longer in the middle, and this one, put it on the side. Just to prevent any display problems, now I'm going to embed the font into my program so that wherever the program goes, it will carry the font with it. You never have display problems. Now let's test it. Feedback box, feedback box. Okay, now that's the feedback box. So I need to change that feedback box. So this one for points display, that one total score display, and feedback box. Now let's test again. Okay, good. Now that one is wrong. This one is wrong. This one's wrong, but we don't see any change. That's not good. We need to be able to see changes when you click different things. And when you click on this one, and 4, correct? 4 points, 4 points. Now, that's because it's the first question. Now, just suppose if I give the initial value of total score, let's say 10 already. See, suppose you had 10 questions answered. Now, let's see what happens here. Yep. Points for this question is 4, and then total is 14, and answer feedback is correct. Okay, done.